Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets and numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Light green color, red color, light pink color, yellow color, brown color, green color, green color, black color, blue color, orange color, sky blue color and purple color. So kids, now you draw alphabets and first we draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E. The alphabets of E. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. It's now you draw M. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's now you draw R. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. It's now you draw W. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers. 1 2 3 4 5. Kids, now you draw 6. The numbers of 6. 6 7 8 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.